I was just reassembling this flange and hub assembly because I haven't got the parts that'll be here next week, and I was just putting the flange bolts in, you know, the 5 that go around the outer flange. I was just putting them in temporary. I want to show you something. One of them was just to say on its last legs. It just came out like that, look. And you see? Snapped off. But this is one I wanted to show you. Look at this. Watch. See? Real time. Torque the bolts up. It's really important. If you sort of go along these with an impact gun and really rev them down tight, they don't usually strip the threads out, but they snap. And the reason why they snap is because you're not tightening down on the shank of the bolt, you're tightening down on what's left of the thread, and it's undercut, it's in a V, it's very weak. So just let that be a warning. Use your torque wrench.